Hi! In front of me is Samsung M33 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to start by opening tab menu. Now look for location shortcut and when you find it, click on it. Then in this pop-up, click on close and when I go back, as you can see, location of my Samsung is now off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can always go into settings instead, look for location section over here and tap on it. Then manage this switcher under location feature to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!